Here's a MAKITA DCS 400 chainsaw that I've just tuned up. It's actually made by Dolmar. So I had to take the air filter off the top here and the cover that goes there. These are the screws that you use to adjust it, the carburetor. On those screws there were little plastic sleeves like this, and these are like for tamper-proofing them so nobody adjusts them. So I pulled them off. I ran the saw, adjusted it. Now I'm going to give it a test run in some wood, and if she's good I'm just going to close it back up. So now that I know she runs good, I'm just going to put back the plastic sleeves on the screws. Got to make sure that the bumps are opposite of each other on these plastic things. Next I'll just clean the air filter off. It's not that bad. So I got the cover back on, and the chain is sharpened. It's actually a nice little saw. It's very, very light, so it's very handy around the house and stuff. On the back of the handle here it says that it's a 39cc engine, which is fairly big for a little saw. And these MAKITA saws are made in Germany by Dolmar.